Good afternoon mga palangga. So actually, aalis kami ngayon. But before tayo aalis, I will share you a simple moments of my life. Sobrang babaw ng kaligayahan ko mga palangga. Pero I am so proud of myself kasi it's my first time to make a jump start at it turned out good. Ito na siya, oh. There you are. You see that? And Jen said it's actually tastes like jump tart. So anyway, we're going and John is here.
Take a big sniff when you go outside.
Oh,
It's horrendous.
our neighbor spread chicken poop, so it's so smelly outside. This is one of our problem when you live in a countryside area. Oh, it's so smelly.
No, we're going in the truck, not the car.
Oh, not in the car.
Taking trailers.
Oh gosh. Oh my god, I feel sick. It seriously stinks.
Disgusting.
Yeah. So that's the trailer that we gonna deliver.
Get out of there, I'm sick of smelling it.
We are here. We finally arrived to our destination mga palangga. And John at current time, he's loading off some trailers. He is right here with our customer. There is John and he is talking to one of our customer. I used to go a lot with John, delivering trailers, going to our customers, but since I started working, bihira na lang ako sumasama sa kanya. So, ngayon wala akong trabaho, so naisipan kong sumama sa kanya kasi I miss the oldest din kasi kasi palagi talaga akong sumasama kay Jan noon, pero ngayon nga meron ng trabaho, wala na din akong time na sumama, minsan na lang. So, yeah, nakakamiss ba? So, anyway, after this, we're gonna go back home again. So, yun yung ganap natin for today. We are home. Nandito na kami sa bahay. I'm so sleepy. Really sleepy. Natagalan kami kanina. At matraffic din. So, yun na. Yung oras dito is 5 to 4 in the afternoon. And I need to cook because we will be having a roast beef. We will give our girls a jam tart. There you are, Han. Give it to them. They're little ones.
Don't just go.
Now you need to be outside, Han, so that they will not go in here. Hang on. Where are you?
No. Snatching. No. Snatching. We do it. No. 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 We do it nicely, don't we?
That's it. Num num num.
Got it in. Touch the size. Look, they didn't have jam on it.
Yeah, look up, baby.
Oh, goodness.
That's it. That's your treat for today. Hello mga palangga. So magbubukas tayo ng parcel galing sa Dorothy Perkins. Nag-order ako ng few items. May pupuntahan kasi ako. Sobrang importante niya mga palangga. So I need to be formal. So I am looking for formal shirt and blazer din. Sana no magkasya to. Ay, mali yung inopen ko mga palangga. Mali yung side na inopen ko. Dapat dito ko i-open. But never mind. The first item is blazer. So, ika-try din natin at the same time. Pitit yung in-order ko. So, hopefully magkasya siya. Mukhang maliit mga palangga. Yung blazer is 3/4 sleeves siya. So, naka-long sleeve ako. So, just sandali lang. I just gonna fold this. Try natin. Oh, kasyang-kasya siya. Kasyang-kasya siya mga palangga. Oh, bet na bet ko to. Okay siya. So, that's good. Meron akong blazer. Ilagay natin dyan para hindi magkagusot mga palangga. Nag-order din ako ng belt. It's a medium-sized belt. It has a gold hardware. It's just a plain black. It's actually, ano bang tawag nito? Velvet yung material niya. Oh. So, yun. Another one is a shirt. It looks so big, but I've ordered a size 6. So, let's try this on. So, ito na siya mga palangga. Okay naman siya. Pwede siyang i-tuck-in siya dito. Like that. Pagpasensyaan nyo na, my bra is black. So, medyo see-through siya. So, what we need to do is mag-cami top na lang tayo underneath. White cami top and white bra. So, yun yung gagawin natin. So, yan. The next item is trousers. And trousers. 2 trousers yung in-order ko. So, itatry ko din ha. Ito na yung trousers natin. May pagka-fitted yung trousers, pero comfortable naman siya. So, ito siya, oh. Hopefully talaga, no, na yung pupuntahan ko maging successful siya. So, fingers crossed, touch wood. There. So, tatapusin ko muna yung niluluto ko. So, ito na yung beef natin, mga palangga. Ito na yung update. It looks so yummy, mga palangga. And as you can see, nilagay ko din yung potatoes. It smells so good. Gutom na gutom na gutom na gutom na gutom na ako. Ibabalik ko lang to sa oven, ha. Mga 30 minutes ulit. This is John's plate. Look at that. It looks so good. And this is mine. Kain. Kainan na naman. Kain tayo.
Bye!
Bye! Hello! Good morning! It's another day, mga palangga. Let's have some breakfast. My breakfast for today is pancit canton. The flavor of my pancit canton is hot and chili flavor, and I have some eggs. So I am here in our front room because I gonna study this, mga palangga, Life in UK Test 2019. If you don't know about Life in UK Test is basically it's all about UK, and it's a test that I need to do because if you're gonna apply indefinite leave to remain, you have to take a test, and it's Life in UK Test. So, isa rin to sa mga pinoproblema ko. Sinabi ko sa sarili ko, soon after I got my visa, sabi ko sa sarili ko na I need to get on with this. I need to take this test. But it was last, but I did it obviously. So hopefully I can take this test this year, but I don't know yet. This is just a plan. My visa will expired on May 2021, so I still got a lot of time. Pero sana, gusto ko sana na mawala to ba, hindi ko na iisipin kasi pag hindi ko pa to natitake, palagi ako nababother na I need to study this because the test is just 24 question, but there's a lot of things to study. It's all about UK, and you don't know, you cannot guarantee what the question you could get. So there's like a big possibility that you fail. So hopefully i-update ko kayo, mga palangga. Hopefully talaga na I can take this test this year. So anyway, kakain muna tayo kasi lalamig na tong breakfast natin. If you are wondering, mga palangga, where I bought this book, I bought this in the UK government website. Just type Life in UK Test, and so i-follow nyo lang, and then they will give you the link to where to buy this. I think I paid this £12, so £12 is not bad, and hopefully lahat ng test nandito kasi mostly dito sa book na nabasa ko so far, it's really like the past talaga, yung mga past about sa UK. Hindi ko alam kung in the end of this book they will tackle some present happening, like yung mga royal wedding na just recently happened. So I don't really know. So update ko kayo mga palangga.